As soon as they move out of Bonteheuwel, dan is ons weer gefaced met die violence in die crime in ons area. Not long after the minister addressed us and came to speak to us, we had an engagement with Leonard Max. That also, Minister, we felt that was asking us to come to a meeting to listen to a biography, which we were not interested in as a community. So, unless we have answers, the Minister have answers for us today with regard to our demands of the 26th of December, we are really not interested because we need solutions. We don't need politicians and governmental departments to come and stand in front of us and play platitudes to us, but it doesn't bear any fruit. Because as long as we are sitting, and Tilly, I want to say to you, we are not blaming just SAPS. That is why we're asking for the interministerial task team to have this working class summit.